Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use points in Shein. Once you're in your app, choose any item that you want to check out. For example, this one. Click Add to Cart. Once you added it in your cart, go to this cart icon at the top corner of your screen and click the item you want to check out. Click Checkout. Here you can find the payment method and just scroll it down and you can see here points. Click this and input the points you want to use. For example, or example all, and click apply. You can see that the product you will purchase is discounted. Here you can see the Shein points that it's used from 163 down to 103. And just click continue and proceed to place your order. And that's it. That's how you easily use your points in Shein. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.